Good morning guys. Si Rick to guys oh. Ha? Yan guys, ang operasyon natin guys, catching the batala guys. Because you know what happened guys? Now this time we had to catch the maputi this place because the batali is a lot. The batalay. And if you catch the maputi, the batalay want to eat your maputi. That's why you always cut your line. Especially me yesterday, but that guy had another one. I catching guys. Continuous lang guys. Yeah. Alright guys. The same spot. Trying to catching the batala guys. Let's go. Mr. B, Mar, good morning. See you lahat guys. Love you guys. Continuous natin guys. Look at my sprays guys. But si Ricto already there guys. But I don't like to go there. Maybe I try this. Please, trying na maputi. Alright, let's go. Ricto boy, good morning Ricto boy. Engage si Ricto boy oh. Yan, alright Ricto boy, good morning. Continuous natin guys sa spot natin. Rod, good morning. Back to the fishing spot. Alright, let's go. Guys, laban naman si Papa Day guys. Ayun naman, susalayo na Lord. Allah Akbar, nahuli tayo guys. Putang siya. Nako, haleluya. Nako. Ay, lanyar, rad again. Palaksi guys, ang whisk. Ito, may maputi pala dyan. Aray, rad. Palaksi yun, nadali yung isa nating huling na maputi. At least pinalitan. Ayan na guys, oh. Nakaapat na agad tayo. Yung isa, the big one, already losing. The short fish, it again may another maputi. Yan o, rad, oh. Okay lang, enjoy lang. Oh, smile Ricto. Mayroon pala dyan eh. Ayun na, yan o. Sabi ko siya, palunok mo eh. Sayang, oo. Yan na uli na yan o. Yan paksi. Guys, good morning. Yesterday, isama na natin yung video natin kahapon sila ngayon guys. At least mayroon tayong ngayon. Malakapos to guys. Maputi. Yes, sir. May fisherman doon guys. But yesterday I catching, but I give to Ricto guys. Yeah. And thank you for Rod guys. The policeman is the one dropped me in the house with Ricto. See? Kaya bumalik naman tayo ngayon guys. Kahit mainit, nagsubok tayo. Ating left side. Mag-try lang tayo guys. Maybe I'm lucky today because I don't have fish. Yes, mayroon tayo. Kami isa doon fisherman. Ayan na guys oh. Alright, good morning Good morning Mr. B. At least meron man tayo na uli. At isa lang. Yan, mamaya. Rod, good morning. Thank you for your drop. Yesterday. Tapos meron tayong isa. Almost 11 already guys. Only came. I don't feel because big grass. I re-catching the maputi. Not bad guys. At least we have two already. See? Grabe yung damo. Medyo mainit na guys, but continue natin guys. Yesterday and this video I make together guys. And what happened yesterday and the big one again I'm losing. Right? But I continue natin guys. Alright guys, happy Sunday today guys. I see it yesterday. This is my catching sayuri. Right? But I make together my video and another day, guys. But this time, this is it. I tell you, I make kilawin, and this is also the agwas. It's very good to make together the what you call son, the sayuri o hangkod together to make a kinil out of the guys. Yeah, but I think this all my video. Since I fishing when but I losing another one, the big size. That's why this is it. And this is my ingredient, guys. Mr. B, I make kilawin today. Because today is Sunday and the weather is bad. Rain o siya naman again, guys. Continue natin, guys. Let's go to my ingredients. Right? Because I already at 12 o'clock. I not get the lunch. That's why I'm making this one. Let's go back to my ingredients, guys. This is my ingredients only. And also I have a lemon. But this is the onion, garlic, and hot pepper. And also I have a lemon, guys. That's the one I'm mixing. At least I have a video today and another day, and losing the big one again. Yeah. Right, continuous lang, guys. Habang ako'y pipira ng po lunch ko, guys. Kilawin, sayuri. It's very good, guys. Yeah. Yes, ko lang. Continuous natin, guys. Oh. Alright, guys. Ito na, guys, oh. Yung sayur natin, tsaka konting agwas o malakapas with my lemon, garlic, hot pepper again, and onion, and lemon. So my back still have lemon. And this is the sayuri, guys. This is the good make kilawin. And we have a small agwas, catching yesterday. And another day because we have to catching that by spot, guys. Continuous lang to, guys. Yan. Alright. Yan, guys, sayuri. Mr. B, this is sayuri and hangkod. Alright. So, guys, black pepper. I make black pepper. Yung sea salt, guys. Right? Depends your what your ingredients you put, guys. Alright. And my mingming. Sige, guys, oh. Dito na yung mingming ko. Moving. See? This one, guys, very good. That's why I make kilawin, because I see the what do you call this one? This mingming. This one is number 1, guys. Napakasarap po, guys, yung lemon nito, guys, oh. Saka maano sa tumas a lot of the what do you call this one? See, kinti. This is the one, the number 1, guys. Very very good. Wow. I supposed to be using vinegar, but I see this one. This one is number 1. Good for appetite, or you want to eat. Yeah. See. By the way, this sayuri I catching like I think it is 2 days ago with the big piece, but I don't have time. But this time I have time now, guys. See? Wow. And so goodness, guys. Wow. Very good. Yeah. Fresh, guys. That's the one. You know, using you one because only you don't want to eat, eh? My wife. He don't like to eat like this because very hot. Only me, guys, because my son, my daughter, he don't eat kilowin. Only me. Yeah. Let me see, guys. Yeah. Wow. Need the salt more. Okay. This is my technique, guys, ha. You piecing, cutting, if you like to make kilowin. But I'm waiting this one like 2 hours to 8 days before I lunch. Alright. This is it. Thank you for watching, guys. This we are almost 4 minutes, guys. Love you, guys. God bless everybody. See you soon tomorrow. What my activities again, guys. Okay. Right, Mr. B, Mar. This is it. See.